The name may not be too different between this Crucial DDR5-5600 2x16GB kit and the others we have previously reviewed, and in some ways this is a good thing. For one, this continues its legacy of a solid set of reliable and high quality memory from Micron. It also means we have the same design language with an all-black PCB finish. In performance, its numbers are still competitive, especially when we consider its speeds and the fact that it is running at 1.1 volts stock voltage. It may not have matched the higher transfer rates of the competition, but the DDR5-5600 kit was still quite capable and delivered solid results in both synthetic and real-world simulation tests. Even still, overclocking is an option with the dependable Micron chips present. In our case, we increased voltage to 1.35 and were able to reach DDR5 6000 without needing to relax its timings. This result was also Prime 95 stable. It represents a 7.1% overclock too. In combination with its practically universal physical compatibility and Crucial's lifetime warranty, this is a solid set of DDR5 memory. At the time of the review, the Crucial DDR5-5600 2x16GB kit is priced at $143, while individual modules are priced at $75. This is the same price as Crucial's DDR5-5200 kit, which makes this one a no-brainer for faster transfer rates without any price premium. However, outside of Crucial, there are still more affordable options with low-profile heatsinks, lower cast latencies, and even RGB LED lighting. Crucial should reduce their MSRP to make this kit more competitive in pricing, but the Crucial DDR5-5600 2x16GB kit remains a competent, no-nonsense option. I'd love to hear what you think of this DDR5 RAM in the comments down below.